Good morning, guys. It's Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. But listen, if you are new here, yes. If you are new here and it's your first time in the lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. And if you don't think you've smashed the like button enough, smash it some more. Just for me. And the algorithm, right? So it lets, if I know your girl's a little special. She's a little special. I mean, we already know I'm a little special, but we're going to let them know that I'm special. So listen, real quick. Shopkick has been down all morning, and it's still down. And it's 8:30. Bam. Still down. It's been down since like 3:30. It's been down. So, I don't know. I have some offers that involve Shopkick, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I suppose I could do them all in one transaction, and if it doesn't work out, I could just take it all back, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And so, just a heads up on that. Now, you guys, I'm going to keep this brief. We're going to head into Walmart. I'm sitting right in front of Walmart right now. We're going to head in Walmart, see what kind of deals we can grab if you want to see your girl out, do. Keep on watching. And again, don't forget to smash that like button. Hook a girl up.
So I guess the first deal should involve sugar. It's going to be on the Kinder Bueno bars. They're priced at $146 for the 2-count. For this, you want to grab one of them, getting back 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $140. You might still have brand club surveys. I have used all of mine. Bringing this down to only 6 cents per bar with a limit of 3. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing the M&M's minis again. It does have to be the peanut butter flavor. I do have one more redemption left on Fetch Reward for $1.50 back. These are on rollback for $1.97 if I didn't say that already. And then I also have a brand club survey for 45 cents. So it's going to bring that down to only 10 cents, which is not a bad deal for some more sugar. So yeah, of course, you already know. We're grabbing the Rockstars again. They are $1.88. You're going to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $3.76. The aisles offer for $5 is going to be going the whole entire year. And again, can be done every other week, and they will send you a reminder text just to let you know it's time. Making this a $1.24 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. Now, there's offers on Swagbucks. There's one for the regular ranch, and there's another one for the flavored ones. They're priced at $4.18. The price is going to come to $8.36. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also totalers on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then last but not least, I do have brand club surveys. One is for 55 cents, the other for 45 cents. It'll bring them down to $3.36 for the 2 are $1.68 each, which is definitely not bad. All right, guys, this is like take 4 on trying to do this deal because this aisle keeps getting really, really crowded. And so listen, it's on the Char. It's a gluten-free bread. Now I saw Thrifty Mommy post this morning on her community tab. This is on the gluten-free aisle. Price is $6.26. Now there is a free Social Nature offer as well. I heard about Social Nature from Check It Out with Michelle. All right, she was the first one that I saw post about it. So when you click on to activate the offer, you have to answer a few questions first, and it tells you, it gives you a list of the locations you can pick it up. You have to click the one you want to get it from, and then that's how you activate the offer. All right. So I'm going to grab this price at $6.26. I'll get that back through there once I submit my receipt. And then you're also going to get back $125 on Ibotta. And then I also have $110 on Fetch Reward. So to make this a $2.35 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Now, I don't know how it's going to taste. I ain't even going to lie. I think I saw Eunice talk about this before too, now that I think about it, because she was saying that was hard. And there's a lot of air in there, so you can't really feel like the full like hardness of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I think I'm going to try the multi-grain one and see how it tastes. I mean, I feel like once you add like a little jelly, a little butter, anything is good, right? Well, we're going to see. We're going to see. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is going to be on Gerber. There's a ton of different offers on Ibotta for Gerber. The one that I feel like is a better deal for me is going to be on the Grain and Grow. They're priced at $124. Getting back 35 cents on Ibotta. There's also brand club surveys as well for 55 cents. It'll make it 34 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of them. One will be 34 cents, one will be 39 cents, and one will be 49 cents.
I'm all
so, yeah.
stocked up.
This deal is on the Purina Beneful and Credit Bites. Look, I'm surprised this one reset for me again. I thought I was completely out of it. I thought Ibotta was like, look, girl, we had to cut you off. Because clearly you have a problem. But listen, it's on the Beneful and Credit Bites. They're on rollback for 106. You're grabbing one of them, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's still the offer on Shopkick for 100 kicks, which is 40 cents. It makes it 16 cents. All right, so my next deal is going to be on the Purina Busy Bones. One of you guys hit me up in the comments and let me know about this deal, so big shout out to you. Now, I was going to grab this one right here, but it's 6.5 ounces, and for Shop Mium, it's not working. It has to be 7+ ounces. So we're going to be grabbing these down here. All right, they're priced at $3.98. I'm getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Shop Mium and $2 on Swagbucks. So it'll make it $1.52 moneymaker. Now, you might still have Purina surveys. I don't have any more. Well, technically, I guess it doesn't really matter because it's not based on what you buy anymore. Well, it is, but it's not. And so, but anyways, listen, it's $1.52 moneymaker, which is definitely not a bad deal. These look like don't these look like granola bars? They look dead ass look like granola bars. All right, guys. So this next 3 deals is going to be on the cat aisle. I remember when I was little, I had a cat. His name was Gemini. I loved him. Then he got hit by a car, and I was so sad. But listen, real quick, look, I have three different deals we're gonna go over. All right. So the first one's gonna be on the Fancy Feast. It's on these little tiny cans. They're priced at 88 cents. For this, you want to grab a total of 3 of them. All right. You'll end up paying $2.64, but then you're gonna get back 75 cents for buying 3 on Ibotta. And then I also have brand club surveys, 50 cents, 45, and 40 cents. So it'll make them 18 cents each, which is definitely not bad. So the next one is going to be on the Fancy Feast Petites, priced at $1.11. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $2.22. You'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta. Again, brand club surveys. One is 50 cents, one is 45 cents. It'll make them 38 cents each. And then last but not least is this one here on the Fancy Feast Gems. I've seen Coupon with Bean do this. Like, she's been killing this deal. So it's priced at $2.48. For this one, you want to buy 2. You'll end up paying $4.96. You'll get back $2.48 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Shop Mium, $1 on Swagbucks, and 2 brand club surveys, 50 cents and 45 cents. So it'll make that a 47-cent moneymaker. Just a reminder on the Meow Mix. I'm not sure if you still have the offer on Fetch Reward, but this is G wording. I'm not sure again if it's still on there because I already did it, but it's on the Meow Mix. Okay. It's on the Meow Mix tender and sauce. It has to be the salmon one. They're priced at 68 cents. You want to grab 1 of them. It is working for a $2 offer on Fetch Reward, so it makes it a nice money maker. And then there's also brand club surveys as well. So what I did is I grabbed 3 of them. I ended up paying what? I ended up paying $2.04, and I got back 6 on Fetch. I got back 3 different offers, or surveys on Brand Club, 55, 50, and 45. So it made this a $5.46 moneymaker if you still have the offer on Fetch Reward. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this deal again on the Curad wrap. Now, I'm at a different store. They're not on clearance at this store. Their regular price, which is $1.97. I literally jumped up there to grab one because I didn't want to wait for them to open up the case. And so for this one, you would grab it at $1.87. You get back a total of 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to what? $1.80. So it'd make this like 17 cents. Now, I was debating if I should grab the bandages and this one. They have that one right there at what, $2.97. So you pay $4.94, get back $3.20. So it'd make it $1.74 for both of them. But I think I'm just gonna grab this one. So yeah. So this next deal is gonna be on the Winged Women's Wellness. I saw Fendi Saves post this deal. They are priced at $14.97. Now, the ones that are on clearance for $13, they didn't work on Ibotta. All right, so you want to grab the ones that are $14.97. You'll pay that out of pocket, get back $2 on Ibotta, and then there's a free manufacturer offer. I'll have a link for you in the description, making this a $2 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the by Kotex. Now, the other store I was at, they don't carry them anymore. And it's crazy. The price is like going up like crazy, right? But if you're like me, you got a gazillion at home. But listen, so they're priced at $3.64. I grabbed the 40 count. It is double attaching. You know what? Let me scan the 50 count and see if it is too. All right, 50 count is not double attaching. It's just the 40 count. All right, so grabbing it at $3.64, get back $2 on Ibotta. There's $1 on ShopMe, $1 on Swagbucks, and I might have brand club surveys, but as of right now, it makes us a 36-cent money maker. This next deal is on the Poise. It's on the 48 count. It's priced at $10.12. You'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta, $5 on ShopMe, and $5 on Swagbucks. And then there's also 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90. So it'll make that a $3.78 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. It's priced at $3.98. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on ShopMe, $1.50 on Swagbucks, and a 55-cent brand clip survey makes this $1.07 money. So this next deal is on the Nair. It's priced at $4.18. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. I also have a brand clip survey for 55 cents as well, making that $1.63. All right, guys. So on my last couple deals. So if you're still rocking, I want to see some suns. Yes, I want to see some suns in the comments if you made it to the last deal. And so doing CoverGirl. Now I saw this one here on clearance. It's number 148. All right, price at $4, right? Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 3 on ShopMe and 3 on Swagbucks, and I have a survey on Brand Club for 45 cents. So it makes it a $4.45 money maker. And then they have the eye products. Now I was gonna grab the pencils down there, which are the ones I normally grab. They're priced at $4.47. I wonder if I don't think the eyeshadows work for the rebates. That one's out of stock anyways. It's number 202 for $3.50. I'm not sure if it would work. So if you want to grab this one here, I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta, 3 on ShopMe, and 3 on Swagbucks, and a 50-cent brand club survey will make that a $4.06 moneymaker. And so yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Alright guys, so here is my little tiny haul for today. Like if I'd had a Rockstar, it'd be super tiny. But it's so cute, but yet it's so refreshing, you know? Like, I could appreciate little small hauls. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, they don't take no time. Be in and out the store. Breakdown don't take no time. And so I could appreciate this. I only had like one little itty bitty hiccup with the fence feast. Now, it did not work for me on ShopMe. I don't think any of the flavors actually scan. So I'm hoping they eventually add that UPC so it'll work, because even the one picture didn't work. So I do have to put in a support ticket for that. With the Char. Is that how you, Char? Is it Char? Did I say Char earlier? I feel like I said something different. Anyways, that went through pretty quick. I was like, yay. I just want to see how long it takes them to actually pay me. And I'm going to try that bread today. Like, I literally want to throw it in a toaster and put some butter on it and see how it tastes. But it went through pretty fast. They do have some other offers on there too, but I didn't want to do too much. I want to see how long it's going to take for them to pay me first, to be honest. But when I say social I want to say social network. I don't want to say social nature. It just don't roll off the tongue like the other apps. You know, like Ibotta, Swagbucks, My Points, even ShopMe, Alexa. They all roll off your tongue. That one is like social network. Social not nature. I needed to practice saying it a bunch of times. But that worked out pretty good. All right. So let me just breeze through this real quick because I feel like I'm rambling. All right. So everything you see here retails $101.08. Absolutely no coupons, which I know we're pretty used to, right? That's the norm. We get back 25 from Isles for the Rockstar, and I was so happy because I found the new flavor, and I hope it's good. So 25 from Isles. Ibotta is $20.80. My Points is $19.80. ShopMe is $16.50. That's if I get back the dollar for that, which I should. It might take a minute, but I should. The Winged Women thing, balance over there, $14.97. Shopkick is $13.60, but I'm waiting for my second receipt for the Bueno. If it doesn't reset, then I am taking it back. Simple as that. I'm not paying $1.50 for each of them bars that were supposed to be 6 cents. I ain't doing it. I'm not. So Shopkick should be $13.60. Social Nature should be $6.26. Brand Club $4.95, and last but not least is Fetch at $2.62. So we walk away with a total of $124.50 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus $23.42, which is pretty awesome considering, right? It's a small little haul, but we made some money though. My tax again was $5.39, so after tax we still make $18.03, which is pretty good, right? And so other than that, my emoji. Okay, so Josiah, he ain't here right now. So listen, my emoji is the one at our last deal. His emoji is the one if you make it to the end. So his emoji, because he's not here, they went to the park to fly a kite. His emoji is a dragon, he said. I don't know if there is a dragon. So if you can find a dragon emoji, we'd love to see it. If not, just spell out dragon. All right. And we're gonna do a giveaway. Okay, we're gonna do another giveaway, a $20 Walmart e-card. Again, must be subscribed. Definitely like the video, of course. And a dragon emoji or spell out dragon. Okay. And then in my next video, I'll announce the winner. All right. So other than that, we really appreciate you guys watching to the end, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.